wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. You know what time it is. You know what time it is. Let's go. Jackie and Forvr Mood have launched their first fragrances, and baby, when you cause all this conversation, okay? Now, I knew it was coming out on Tuesday, and for some reason I thought it was going to launch online and in store at the same time, so I was going out, so I was like, oh, you know, I'll just get it in person. No, it was only launching online, and then by the time I got home and got online, all that stuff, like, y'all was not playing, which I know, I'm not surprised. This is my first go around with the Jackie Aina launch. It was sold out, but this is what I was able to get my hands on. But you know what, that's okay, because I wasn't sure which one I wanted anyway. Like, all of them had notes where I was like, okay, so I got the Discovery set. So we are going to go through, and you guys are gonna see first impression, my reactions to smelling this. I'm excited. I'm a little nervous too, because you know, I've liked fragrances that I've seen her recommend and stuff like that, but also, like, sometimes me and Jackie, we don't be feeling the same way about certain fragrances, so I'm like, but let's go. Okay, first up we have I Am Her. Now, all of these retail for $79 for 1.7 ounce, and then the mini sizes of these are $28 for 0.34 ounces. So this is the one that comes in the pink bottle, using color for reference here. Fragrance family, warm and spicy. Scent type, warm and sweet gourmand. Keynotes, red velvet, pear, oud. Yeah, I saw that TikTok where it was like, y'all be describing fragrances and y'all be like, oud, nude, dude. Like, I'll be feeling him on that one. Just tell me if you like it or not. So, okay, this is one of the ones I was like most excited about. So let's see. You know, I'm not gonna spray all of them on myself, because you know, then it just gets nauseating. And ooh. Okay. Okay, I feel like you definitely smell. I'm smelling the oud. Like, that's the first thing that hits me in the face with this one. I was kind of hoping to smell the red velvet first, but I think once the oud settles, you start smelling the sweetness to this one. You know, with all of the fragrances that I own, I don't think I own one that has like that oud note to it. So I've never smelled that before, so it's throwing me off, because I'm like, do I like it or not? Ooh. I do like it. Okay, hold on. I'm not gonna lie, that oud hitting me in the face definitely throws me off, but once it does settle down, it starts to settle down into that sweetness, I'm like, okay, wait a minute, because I can. Okay, up next we've got Hard to Get. That is the yellow one. Fragrance family is florals. Scent type, fruity florals. Keynotes, citron zest, sheer jasmine, whipped vanilla. Y'all know once I hear vanilla, I want to spray it in the air. Let's spray it in the air first this time, because it was once I sprayed it in the air that I got to smell the. Ooh. Okay, wait a minute. Because y'all know I really don't usually go for florals like that. But I am surprised that I like that right off the first spray. Well, I mean, like I said, the other one, I've never really smelled that note before, so that's what's throwing me off. But it's a floral that I like off the first spray. But I think it's because it's that fruity floral. Y'all remember I posted that video not too long ago where I was like, I'm learning I only like florals if they have some type of sweetness to it. And honestly, truly, I didn't think I was going to like this one. Yeah, this is from my juicy girls. Not like Juicy Couture, but like the girls who like them juicy citrus type of scent, but like still mature. Because the floral tones it down so it doesn't smell juvenile. I like this. I'm going out tonight, and one of these is gonna be the one, hopefully, that I wear. Okay, I really was not expecting to like that. No, I really like that one, because like it's in the air and it's just giving spring. like fun spraying. She got me with that one, not gonna lie. Okay, next up is the clear bottle You Remind Me. Fragrance family is fresh, scent type fresh florals. Keynotes, apricot skin, orange blossom, sensual musk. Was I excited for this one? I don't think I was. Okay, so we're gonna try the same thing. We're gonna spray it in the air first, and then we'll spray it down, see what it's giving. So. I'm all up in y'all's face. Yeah. I was like, let me smell it in the air on here first before I say anything. It gives fresh, like clean. Almost like cleaning products, but not cleaning products. Like I'm not talking, you know, Pine Sol, but like that type of fresh, clean scent. Like this is a if you wear perfume before you go to bed, you would want to go to bed smelling like this. Just like fresh, clean, not too fruity, not too, you know, spicy. Just, you know, what soap, well not soap, soap and water would smell like. Now, is it for me? I don't really think so. It actually reminds me of the Moschino. It's in like a gold spray bottle spray. And I actually think verbatim, when I said I was decluttering it, I said I'm decluttering it because it kind of reminds me of like cleaning products. Like it's so fresh, it's so clean that I'm just like, this ain't really doing it for me. Now I did say, you know, it is a fragrance that you could wear to go to bed. So you can smell fresh, clean. Like imagine, you know, fresh, well, I mean, fresh soap and water does have scent to them, but like that's what this would smell like to me, just like squeaky clean type thing. And it's just not really my thing. Not that anything is wrong with it, how it smells, it's just and also like it's in that floral family, and I just told y'all I guess I really only go for florals if they've got a little sweetness to it, something like that. This is just straight up clean, and I'm like, you know, okay, I respect that, but for me, okay, the last one is NDA. That's the one that comes in the purple bottle. And the fragrance family is floral, scent type warm florals, keynotes, spiced rum, tonka bean, tobacco flower. This is the other one that I was also excited for. This smells like men's deodorant, and like not in a good way. You know, that type of like spicy, woodsy men's deodorant. It smells like that. It smells like spicy vegetables. I'm so sorry. I want to go in, but no, that ain't it for me. That was another one I was excited about because I've been mixing Kayali's Invite Only with By the Fireplace, and that type of balance between, you know, spice and sweetness has been working for me. Like and also, you know, the like smokiness behind By the Fireplace, like some people say it smells like straight up smoke, but the balance between those two I've been liking. It's been giving like sexy sweet, right? Same thing. I was hoping like that's what that would give. Do I smell any sweetness in that? No, I do not. It gave all the spice, all the just, yeah. I really was not expecting that. So like I said, I am going out, and one of these is going to be the fragrances that I wear tonight. Now, even though the yellow one, I was like, absolutely, positively, I'm gonna put the pink one on so I can see it or smell it on my body and see how the oud mixes in with my, okay, wait a minute, now I smell the red velvet. Hold on. Ooh, Yeah, I just had to see how that one note that I'm not really familiar with vibes with my body chemistry. And like once I put it on, you can get the whiffs of the red velvet, which I don't think I've ever had a red velvet in any other fragrance as a note before. Okay, Jackie. Okay, so thoughts on the 4. The pink one, liked it. Was a little cautious because it's got notes that I'm not used to, but especially after letting time go on, smelling it on my own body. Am I here for that one? Yes, and like I said, it has now introduced me to notes that I'm not used to. Yellow one, we're gonna go by color because I can't remember what anything is named. Yellow one, absolutely positively love that. That is literally giving spring. If you wanna know what the pink one is giving, the pink one is giving like date night. Date night, girls night out, like adventurous type, but you still wanna be cute and girly. That's what the pink one is giving. Yellow one straight up giving just the definition of spring. Clear, like I said, think soap and water, just clean body, fresh, that type scent. And even though there's nothing wrong with it, it is a nice fragrance. I just know like if I had purchased the full bottle of that, I would probably rarely reach for it. And the purple one, yeah, like I said, it was not for me. You know what, when I saw what the bottles look like and I saw the notes and stuff like that, my immediate thought was, it's giving very much so like ponytail. Like if I had to say who I think, you know, her peers are, you know, you can say like Pat McGrath is like Charlotte Tilbury, is like Natasha Denona, stuff like that. The first thing I thought when I saw these fragrances was ponytail. Like that's what it's giving. It's giving ponytail, Billie Eilish, right? That's the category I would put her fragrances in. And yeah, that is it for my thoughts on Forvr Mood's first launch of fragrances. I think 3 out of 4 are good fragrances. 2.5 out of the 4 are fragrances that I just, yeah. And also, we ain't gonna get into how, but I actually ended up purchasing 2 of these because, you know, that Mercury retrograde, okay, it ain't playing. So I actually have 2, so you know what I'm gonna do with the other one? I'm gonna give it away. So you guys know I posted that other video with the other giveaway, so I figured since that one ends on Sunday, I will do a giveaway of this set that will start today. It'll close out next Friday, and then once I have everyone's information, I can just ship out all 3 at the same time. So it'll be the same way to enter if you want to get the discovery set so you can see what Jackie's fragrances smell like. Now I do know in the other video, for some reason, mind you, I haven't done giveaways for a while, so I don't know if like rules have changed, but when I did the community post, it seemed to work there. So I'm just gonna do the same thing. I'll make a community post for you to comment, let me know what your Instagram or TikTok name is so that if I pick you, I have a place to contact you. And very simple, the only way, or the way to enter is to just be subscribed to my YouTube channel and then follow me on either Instagram or TikTok. And let me know after seeing this video in the comments down below what your thoughts are. Did my first impressions change what you thought you would have been vibing for? Let me know which one you want to look into, all of that. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.